Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is Maths. And my dear students, this is for the class 2 students. This lecture is for the class 2. So, are you all ready to attend this? So, as you know this, we begin the lecture with the quote. So here is the quote that the slow progress is better than no progress. So slow progress is okay, but there is no progress. It means you are not doing anything. Slow progress, it means you are doing something slowly, but no progress indicates that you are not doing anything. So just doing slowly your thing, but always doing things is better than that not doing anything. So always do the slow progress. It's okay, but there is better that than the no progress. So let's start the table first. So here today we are speaking the tables first and then we will move to the next topic. So here we are going to speak the table 1 to 10, which is the revision of our previous topic. So let's revise the tables, which is 1 to 10, and we are going to speak and remember the table now, and you also repeat after me these tables, and then we will start the chapter number 7, which is multiplication. In this chapter we are using the multiplication tables, and if we are not knowing the tables, if we are not remembering the tables, we are not able to solve the sums of multiplication. And what is multiplication? I will explain to you after completing the tables. So first of all, let's speak the tables here and then we will move to the next topic. So table number 1 here, 1 ones are 1. I will repeat 2 times and you have to repeat after me. 1 ones are 1. Then 1 twos are 2. 1 twos are 2. Then 1 threes are 3. 1 threes are 3. Then 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are 4. After it, 1 fives are 5. 1 fives are 5. Then 1 six are 6. 1 six are 6. After it, 1 sevens are 7. 1 sevens are 7. After it, 1 eights are 8. 1 eights are 8. After it, 1 nines are 9. After it, 1 nines are 9. Then 1 tens are 10. 1 tens are 10. Then the table number 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Then 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Then 2 fours are 8. After it, 2 fours are 8. Then 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. After it, 2 six are 12. 2 six are 12. After it, 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. After it, 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. Then 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. After it, 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Now table number 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Then 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. After it, 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. After it, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Then 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. Then 3 six are 18. 3 six are 18. Then 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. After it, 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. After it, 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. After it, 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. So here the table number 3 is complete. So let's move to the table number 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Then 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Then 4 threes are 12. After it, 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. After it, 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. After it, 4 sixes are 24. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. After it, 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. After it, 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36. After it, 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are 40. So here table number 4 is complete. So let's start the table number 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. After it, 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. After it, 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. After it, 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. After it, 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. After it, 5 sixes are 30. 5 sixes are 30. After it, 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. After it, 5 eights are 40. 5 eights are 40. After it, 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. After it, 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. So let's start the table number 6 here. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Then 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Then 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. After it, 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. Then 6 sixes are 36. 6 6 are 36. Then 6 7s are 42. After it 6 7s are 42. Then 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Then 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. Then 6 10s are 60. What comes after it? 6 10s are 60. So let's start the table number 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. Then 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Then 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Then 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Then 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Then 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Then 7 7s are 49. You can speak this way. 7 7s are 49. Then 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Then 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Then at the last 7 10s are 70. What? 7 10s are 70. So let's start the table number 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Then 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Then 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Then 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Then 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Then 8 6s are 48. 8 6s are 48. Then 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. Then 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. 8 10s are 80. Now the table number 9. Let's start this. 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. Here is 9 1s are 9. Then 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Then 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Then 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. After it 9 6s are 54. 9 6s are 54. After it 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. After it 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. Then 9 9s are 81. What? 9 9s are 81. And at the last 9 10s are 90. 9 10s are 90. So let's start the last table, which is table number 10. And you all like this table. 10 1s are 10. 10 1s are 10. After it 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. After it 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. After it 10 4s are 40. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 6s are 60. After it 10 7s are 70. 10 7s are 70. After it 10 8s are 80. 10 8s are 80. After it 10 9s are 90. 10 9s are 90. And at the last 10 10s are 100. What comes after 10 10s are 100? So here the 1 to 10 table is complete and you have to remember this 1 to 10 tables. So let's move to the exercise of the dodging table. So are you all ready for the dodging table? So my dear students, let's start the exercise, and you can call this a worksheet of the dodging table and the table practice. So let's start this. So here is the table and the answer is there. You have to write down the middle digit. How many is 2? How many is 2 and answer will be 18. So 2 9s are 18. What will be the answer? 2 9s are 18. We have answers. We have to write down the middle digit, right? After it, there is one rule for the multiplication as in the addition and subtraction. All the operations have their own rules. So here, whenever you multiply any digit with 0, the answer will be 0. Always in any situation, whenever you multiply any digit with 0, the answer will be 0. So here 3 multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. Whatever the digit it will be 5 or 5000 or 5 lakhs. If you multiply 5 lakhs with 0, so it will be a 0 answer only. You will get the answer 0. Whatever the digit it. If you are multiplying 5,000, 5 lakhs with 0, 10 lakhs with 0, you will get the answer 0 only. So here we get the answer 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now 5 in the table, where is we get the answer 45? 5 9s are 45. So here we write down the answer 5 9s are 45. Then 7 in the table number 7, where the answer we get answer 49. So 7 7s are 49. We get the answer here 7 7s are 49. And in the 4 table number 4, where we get the answer 20. So we get the answer 4 5s are 20, right? So we have to write down number 5 here. 4 5s are 20. Now here in the table number 6, where we get the answer 42. So 6 7s are 42. We get the answer at the number 7. 6 7s are 42. Then here in the table number 8, where we get the answer 32. So in the table number 8, we are getting the answer 8 4s are 30. At the number 4, 8 4s are 30. We get the answer. Then in the table number 4, where we get the answer 36. So in the table number 4, we get the answer 4 9s are 36. At the number 9, 4 9s are 36. So here 9 multiplied by what? Then we get the answer 54. So the answer is, here is 5 3s are 15 will come, and here is 9 6 are 54. At the multiply by with 9, if we multiply 9 with the 6, we get the answer 54. 9 6 are 54. Here is 6. So with which number I am multiplying? With number 2. So we get the answer 6. So here is 2 3s are 6. Where we get the answer 2 3s are 6. Then in the table number 3, with what I am multiplying, then I will get the answer 15. So 3 5s are 15. What I am getting the answer? 3 5s are 15. And here is 1 and 10. So 1 10s are 10. So here the answer is 10 will come. We get the answer by 1 tens are 10. Now here in the table number 7 where we get the answer 21. So in the table number 7 we get the answer as 7 threes are 21. Is it right or wrong? Right now. 7 threes are 21. Then at the table number 4 where we get the answer 4. So this way we are getting the answer that 4 ones are 4. Is it true? Yes, this is true answer. 4 ones are 4. After it, here 3 and 12. So at the what place we get the answer 12 in the table number 3. So 3 fours are 12. So this way we can complete this blanks. 3 fours are 12. And in the table number 8 where we are getting the answer 72. 8 nines are 72. At the number 9 in the table number 8. 8 nines are 72. After this 4 fours are 16. In the table number 4 we get the answer 16 at 4 number. 4 fours are 16. So you have to write down this worksheet into your book. It will be helpful to you. Then the next one 5 and 30. So in the table number 5 we can write down 5 6 are 30. Then in the table number 9 where we get the 27. So we get the 9 threes are 27. Is it right now? 9 threes are 27. Then here is 4. In the table number 2, 2 twos are 4. We are getting the answer 2 twos are 4. Here 6 and 54. So in the table number 6 we are getting 54 answer at the 9. 6 nines are 54. Right. I am repeating this. 6 nines are 54. Now here the table number 1. You can see this 1 and 8. So we can write down the answer 1 8s are 8. What we can write down? 1 8s are 8. Now in the table number 7 we get the answer 28. So 7 4s are 28. We can write down the answer this way. 7 4s are 28. Now the next one 5 and 45. So in the table number 5 we can write down 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Then here in the table number 3 we get the answer 12. At what? 3 4s are 12. Right? 3 4s are 12. Then here in the table number 8 where we get the answer 16. 8 2s are 16. Right? 8 2s are 16. Here we get the answer at 8 2s are 16. Now here in the table number 3 where we get the number 9. So here we get the answer 3 3s are 9. Right? 3 3s are 9. In the table number 5 where we get the answer 50. So 5 10s are 50. We get the answer. Then in the table number 9 where we get the answer 81. In the table number 9. So we get the answer 9 9s are 81. Right students? 9 9s are 81. Now here 4 with multiply what? We get the answer 32. In the table number 4. So 4 8s are 32. Here we can write down this way. 4 8s are 32. Then 6. Where we get the answer 12 with the multiplying with what? So 6 2s are 12. Right? We get the answer by multiplying with 2 number 6. So we get the answer 12. 6 2s are 12. Now here in the table number 1 with multiplying what? We get the answer 4. 1 4s are 4. Here 4 and with multiplying what? We get the answer 2. So 4 2s are 8. Right? We get the answer 4 2s are 8. Here is 5 and 25. So with what we are multiplying with 5, then we get the answer 25. So 5 5s are 25. So we get the answer 25. 5 5s are 25. And at the last 3 and 15. So with multiplying what? With the 3. So we get the answer 15. So 3 5s are 15. We get the answer here. 3 5s are 15. Now here we have to match this. You are ready to match the right answer with the right table. Here is 8 3s are. So 8 3s are how much? 8 3s are 24. So we have to match with 24 number, and you also have to match with it. 8 3s are 24. So I am matching with this. I connect with this with the arrow. Now the next one, 2 10s are. So 2 10s are 20. So you have to find out where is the 20 number. See, here is the 20 number. So we have to connect this with the 20 number this way. 2 10s are, and the answer is 20. This way we have to connect. Then the next one, 5 7s are. So 5 7s are 35. Here is the answer. Where is the answer of 5 7s are? 35. 5 7s are 35. So we have to match this with the 35 answer. This way you can see I match with it. 5 7s are 35 here. Then the next one, 9 4s are. 9 4s are 36. So we have to connect this. 9 4s are 36. This way 9 4s are 36. So you can see I connected with the 9 4s are 36. Here is again 6 6s are. So 6 6s are is 36. So I have to match with the 36 number, which is here at the last position. So I match with it. 6 6s are 36. I repeat this, we can just join this way. 6 6s are 36. Then here is 7 8s are 56. This is the last one. So we have to match with it. 7 8s are 56. So this way we can connect the dodging table. We can fill in the blanks. So you have to write down all the things into your fair book. So it will be easy for you, helpful to you. You have to write down the tables into your book and just remember the tables for the sums, multiplication sums. It will be easy for you. So in the next lecture we are starting the multiplication chapter, which is chapter number 7, and you have to wait for the next lecture and we'll start the chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is multiplication, and you have to complete the fair book of the mathematics till the chapter number 6. I just send all the things into your WhatsApp group. So you have to complete the fair book into your fair book, and worksheet and extra sums I am sending to you for the practice. So you can write down it into your rough book for the practice and improvement into your mathematics. So it will be helpful to you. You have to write down all the things into your book and just complete all the things. I will send the PDF of chapter number 6 also today in your WhatsApp group. So learn throughout the PDF also. If you don't have books, just learn through the PDF. I will also send the PDF of chapter number 7 also. So do these types of all the homeworks and learn well. Prepare for the exams. Study well. Do all the worksheets, all the homeworks into your fair book. Write down properly at your time. Watch all the videos, so it will be helpful to you to study online. Then you can easily doing the things. Now students, just stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching the videos, and please do your homework. You are not coming school nowadays, so you have to write down the homework at your time. Just do all the things. Make fair book properly with the good handwritings. Then whenever you come to school, I will check all the fair books, all the works of you. So bye bye students, and wait for my next lecture. I will meet with the chapter number 7 and the new topics. So wait for it and let's meet in the next lecture. So stay home, stay safe. Bye bye students.